Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your EVS 1 class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. As you can see, the name of the chapter is Plants and Environment. So let us know what are the things that we are going to learn in this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about habitats and habits of plants, adaptations of plants, protection of plant environment, and about sacred groves. So what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to have an overview of the chapter. Okay, now what do I mean by having an overview of the chapter? We are going to discuss in brief about the things that we are going to learn in this chapter, okay? So first of all, what is an habitat? Now, the areas in which plants grow comfortably are known as their habitat. Now, in our last chapter, I explained you that how every plant needs different conditions to grow into a new plant. Every seed, depending on its type, needs different conditions, be it the amount of water, be it the temperature, be it the kind of soil. It needs different conditions to grow into a new plant. So that is why, what is a habitat? The areas in which plants can grow comfortably are known as habitats. Habitats generally comprises of those conditions which are required and suitable for any particular plant. Now you all must have seen that some trees grow in the coastal regions better, as we know that coconut trees grow more in the coastal region than in hilly areas. Have you seen coconut trees growing in hilly areas? No. Similarly, if we talk about the apple tree is more popular in the hilly areas. We have seen them growing in the hilly areas rather than them growing in the coastal areas or in the deserts, right? In the deserts, what grow? In the deserts, cactus grow. So what is an habitat? Habitat is that place which provides the plant all the necessary conditions to grow and live. Okay. Next we have the different types of plants. Now what are the different types of plants? The different types of plants are the terrestrial plants and the aquatic plants. Now what are terrestrial plants and aquatic plants? Terrestrial plants are those plants which grow on the land, and aquatic plants are those plants which grow in the water. We will talk in more details about these plants as we continue with the chapter, as we move ahead with the chapter. Today let us have an overview. So these are the few topics that we are going to learn, and one of them is also adaptation. One of the most important point that we are going to learn in this chapter, which is going to help us a lot, that how plants adapt in different situations, in different conditions, and how they grow. So let's see a small video on adaptations of plants.
Adaptation in plants. In this module, I will learn about the need for adaptation in plants, adaptations of land plants, adaptations of water plants, protection of plant environments, and sacred groves. Habitats of plants differ in weather, availability of water, minerals, sunlight, etc. The body features and special characteristics developed by plants are called their adaptations. Plants develop adaptations to adjust to the conditions in and around their habitats. Terrestrial plants show adaptations in their shape, leaves, trunk, etc. to suit their habitats. Water plants are mainly of three kinds: floating, fixed, and underwater plants. Aquatic plants have unique adaptations in their roots, leaves, etc. for better survival. Van Mahotsav is the festival of trees. Sacred groves comprise of patches of forest or natural vegetation.
So children, I hope all of you enjoyed the video. In our next class, we are going to talk in details about each of these points. And as and when we move ahead with the chapter, we are going to learn more about plants, their habitats, and their adaptations. That's all for today. Thank you, and do not forget to read the chapter. Thank you so much, children. Have a great day.